Okay, we're going to try this again. This camera is giving me a headache. Welcome everybody back to my video. This is a Dua haul. I just got in one scent. It was Imagination by Louis Vuitton. It's called Imagine. It was very hard to get this one. The first one time I went in to get it was during his birthday haul, and it was snatched out of my cart, and I was highly pissed off. So I was able to get it. I ended up getting 3 of them, so I won't need to purchase for a while. But I will also be doing a comparison to the original, and I also have Dapper's Imagination as well. Y'all gonna have to so there's Dapper's, and then I have a sample of Louis Vuitton's original. I also, as I told y'all before, bought my husband a bottle from Louis Vuitton, so I can put a decant of his to have more to kind of work with as well. But yeah, this camera is a headache. I'm very impatient. I thought I was going to be able to pull this out the box, but I do have a camera guy who owns a Lumix walking me through certain things as I'm coming across certain issues and helping me to clean up some things. His name is Dan. So Dan, thank you so much for helping me, because I'm not computer savvy. This is my first time ever working with a camera. I've just always used my cell phone to do my videos from my start of YouTube. So I guess this is going to take me some time to get used to and just get all of the settings the way I want them, and then I can leave it. The next part is just uploading these videos. The Lumix Lab for Android absolutely sucks, but it does well. It seems to be doing well on my iPad. The only thing, I just got to get a editing software for my iPad, because straight off the iPad there's really no editing on the iPad, so that's the only issue with that. But hopefully we can work this out with this camera and the uploading, because it's really starting to be a pain in my ass, to be quite honest. It is a pain in my ass, and I'm just ready to take it back to the store, to be quite honest with you, but I'm not going to do that yet. So tell me what you think. Do y'all have Imagination? Have you tried it? If not, do you have Dua's version? Dapper's version smells really good as well. I don't think it's as close from my nose to the OG Louis Vuitton, but it still smells good. I think Dua's is more closer than to the OG Louis Vuitton than Dapper is, but again, it still smells good. Since being sick, my nose has just not agreed to perfumes with my stomach. It just makes my stomach upset. So I haven't really been wearing any perfumes. I've been trying some freshies, and that even started to get on my nerves, but I was able to tolerate it. So I just been using my scented body products. That doesn't seem to bother me, but the perfumes right now, it just turns my stomach. So I guess once I get the healing, my body heals, I will be able to tolerate perfumes a little bit more than I have been the past month or so. So we'll see with that. But give me a thumbs up on the way in, please. Y'all, I've been working hard at this. I'm trying to bring out, just more content using a better camera, because I know my phone camera sucks. It really do. I need a new phone. I done dropped that thing so many times, so it doesn't surprise me that it's not working. The camera's not functioning like it used to when I first got the phone. So yeah, give me that thumbs up on the way in. Leave me some comments so my videos could get into the algorithm. And until next time, peace.